Hello my friends. I'm Claudio. I am here to help you with your Omega Irrigation Controller by Bermod. In this video, we will get your Bermod cloud and user setup. Now let's get started. Go ahead and open your internet browser. In the address bar enter cloud.bermod.io. You should now be seeing the cloud.bermod.io home screen. If this is not your first time signing in, go ahead and enter your email address and password. Otherwise, click on the new user sign in to get started. Here is where we need to enter your credentials. We will need your first and last name, active email address and your phone number. The password needs to be a minimum of 8 characters and include a lowercase letter. After you have re-entered your password, use the drop-down menus to select your time zone, either Sunday or Monday as the first day of the week, metric or imperial measurement units, and your water meter units. With all of these categories complete, click on the Sign Up button. This completes your Bermod Cloud sign-up information. After clicking the Sign Up button, you will be redirected back to the Bermod Cloud home page. Here you will enter the email and password you just created. Great work on getting signed up. You are now ready to build a site and start using your Omega.